In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set your Trello board as private. Now, Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects and organizing tasks, but sometimes you might need to ensure that your board's contents are kept confidential, accessible only to the people you choose. Making your board private is a simple process, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, open the Trello board that you want to set as private. Focus your attention on the top right corner of the interface. You'll notice an icon up there. It looks like a small person. This is the visibility icon, your gateway to controlling who can see your board. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on this icon, a menu will drop down, presenting you with a few options regarding your board's visibility. Among these options, you'll see one labeled as private. Selecting this option will set your board to a private setting. What this means is that your board will now only be accessible to the current members you have added to it, along with the administrators of your Trello workspace. So, essentially, no one else will be able to view or interact with your board unless you specifically invite them. This is ideal for sensitive projects or when you're handling information that requires discretion. One thing to bear in mind is that making a board private doesn't automatically transform it into a personal board. This is significant if your intention is to use it independently without the oversight or management of workspace admins. To achieve a fully personal experience, you would need to transfer your board to a private workspace and potentially remove any current members from the board, ensuring you are the sole participant, besides, of course, any other individuals you choose to invite personally. And there you have it. That's all there is to setting your Trello board as private. It's a straightforward process, but understanding these small nuances can make a big difference in effectively managing who has access to your projects. Whether you're coordinating a sensitive project or simply prefer the peace of mind that comes with privacy, Trello gives you the flexibility to make those adjustments easily and efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you found it useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips on getting the most out of your project management tools.